A 2018 F-150 XLT Crew 4x4 sport package on it. About 35,000 kilometers, just over. See the side step there, along with the step bars. Tailgate step. Remote entry. All the usual power goodies. Navigation. Heated front seats. Trailer tow. Trailer backup assist. Nicely equipped truck that you're going to find. Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln 270 Southeast Marine Drive. Please come and see us.